Check that out, 43,621 miles. Right there. Here you can see the roof of the Ridgeline. And the paint's peeling right here. And this whole little side here, it's all that paint there's peeled off. Now you can see on top of this Honda Ridgeline, this spot right here, there's no primer. That's bare metal. And this darker colored stuff, that's rust. That's rust appearing on the metal. But yeah, there's no primer. And you look over here, no primer. It's just a solid white base coat sprayed on top of the metal with a clear coat. No primer at all. 2014 Ridgeline, no primer. So that's why the paint's not sticking. Alright, here the paint's bubbling up. See it moving? Yeah. That is my 95 Honda Prelude. This is also a factory paint defect. You see this front left fender, how the paint's peeling off? That actually happened to a lot of Honda Preludes for some reason. And it has nothing to do with the color. I've seen, you know, like red Preludes and blue ones and black ones, but for some reason this front left fender always peels off. But what I want to show you is, this is black primer. Okay? And it's not rusting or anything, but that's black primer. Now when we were looking at the Honda Ridgeline, you can see where the paint was peeled off on the Ridgeline, it's bare metal. See, that's black primer and white paint. Okay.